Hi, this is Dr. Catherine Brown. I'm here to help you locate acupressure point Heart 8. When the palm faces upward, the point is between the 4th and 5th metacarpal bones. I instruct my patients in clinic to apply the fire element AcuStick containing pure essential oils several times per day to activate this point and initiate the healing potential of Heart 8, which is to cool heart fire. This point is specific for heat in the heart, and they can use a counterclockwise motion to stimulate this point with medium pressure if they have time during the day to actually use acupressure. Now, heart heat is going to show as possible insomnia or emotional upset. And if you want to regulate the heart and support the heart, you would probably choose Heart 7 instead of Heart 8. But if you actually have heart heat, then you utilize Heart 8. One way you can possibly see if you have heart heat is to look at your tongue in a mirror and see if the tip of your tongue is redder than other areas, or it's more deeply red than you would expect a normal tongue to look. Details on using this point are located at Ageless Herbs on the Acupressure Directions page, and it will include different ailments and point combinations and all the diseases that this point will treat. You will also find tons of information about how to use acupressure and Chinese medicine for specific health concerns, and you can deepen your knowledge about Chinese medicine at agelessherbs.com. Thanks for watching my video. Likes are much appreciated, and please subscribe to my channel. Be well.